Okay, we just turned off the tape and I just launched the best plane ride since we started. But of course, yeah, it was not on tape. So now it is Ryland's plane, so Ryland wants his turn.
You can't hold this.
Hold the propeller and then hold the edge where Ethan's hand is. You gotta show him where to hold it, Ethan.
I did.
No, on the back part.
No, right here. Right where my hand is.
Uh-oh. Throw it!
No, Jaden, I didn't do it yet.
Yeah, that wasn't very good. Here, Jay, you commentate and let me help Rye.
Okay.
Are you watching?
Oh, whoops. It was facing me.
Yeah, your finger's on the lens again. Alright, dude. You know, if you wore shoes, you wouldn't have to sit on things to launch this. You'd be able to throw it better.
Jaden, record what the video is about.
So, doesn't mean you shouldn't be wearing shoes.
My feet are burning right now. After this, I'm going to go inside. After this, I'm going to go inside and get my shoes on.
Okay, after this one, I'm going to try to do another good launch for the videos.
We're at 1 minute 40.
Okay. Here we go. Use your throwing hand right here. Your other hand on the propeller. And then throw it and let go throw it at the same time.
Dud.
Yeah, that didn't work out too right. Nothing. I'm going to try it again for another good launch.
I kind of want to be a full-time commentator for this show or channel or whatever. So, more likes means more opportunities Dad will let me commentate, right, Dad?
Yeah, we'll see.
Winded it up, winded it up. They're both going inside, Dad.
Alright, the trick to your commentary is how well you're going to be able to keep this
track.
airplane in the frame.
Okay. I should try my best.
Keep it in the frame, you get an A. It's partially in the frame,
B?
you get a C.
Oh. There's no B?
If you miss it all together, you fail.
I'm not going to fail. No one distract me. My job depends on this.
We're ready to go?
Wait. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Yep.
Whoa!
Yes! The plane was in the camera.
Let me try.
Don't I have to do it again? Ooh.
Well, again, the best one wasn't taped.
Hey, Dad. The plane was in the camera the entire time.
Why don't you face me? I'm gonna warm it up fast. I don't even get the shoes. I have a shopping cart. Okay, Ethan. Wait, wrong way. Wrong way. What happened? What's happening?
It was upside down. Alright, shutting it off again.